Hey guys, good morning. It's Robert from Tall Guys RC. Haven't filmed a video in quite a while. Hope everybody's safe and practicing social distancing, but I'm back. Time to shoot some videos again. Out this morning shooting the rebuilt AT6. This plane is about 10 years old. Bought it years and years ago from nitroplanes.com. I just rebuilt it all brushless. So we're going to see if it still flies. So let's strap on the GoPro, plug in the battery, see what happens. This plane is notoriously tail heavy. I think I got the CG on this okay dialed in. Actually a little bit nose heavy, which is a good thing. Got all my surfaces dialed in here. So let's throw in the air and see what happens. Seems like more than enough power. Oh, that's not good. I just totaled it. I'm glad I got this on video. Pa-pow! Well, that wasn't good. Oh!